You know what it is. It's official little groove session. We call this Sunday After Hours. Yeah, hey. Hey, Paulie D, this is what it is, man. It's my baby cousin. Probably gonna post this on the book so everybody can see it. I would just go ahead and coagulate like an egg when it's cooked. Add a little bit of heat to it, baby. Some of y'all ain't even scrambled eggs. Y'all just broken yolk. You just a token joke. I just go and go. They don't even know. We so cold together. We make them overdose. I got the heat like the rule for the cold weather. They not close. They don't even know how we go together. Like Legos. A.O. Better let go of my ego, or you might just see the klepto, cause I take it back. I'm just trying to make a fact. I'm still starving and I'm hungry, man. Does that make me fat? Cause I take a snack. Whoa, and I don't need to. And if you got a question, you can know that I can see you. Now, I got some stuff to see too. I don't know why life is just so slow with me. It seems like, man, I gotta speed through. Hey, I need you, so tell me that you need me too. Speak no lies because I need the truth. I gotta do what I need to do, and I can feed you if you feed me too. So can we share brunch after breakfast before lunch? I don't think that they can get it, man. I'm just in the crunch, so don't let me crumble the words that they mumble. I'ma go hard, I swear. If I stumble, I'll pick up. Many days I don't wanna get up, but I never give up. They can get the picture, but I'm trying to paint it 1080 and HD. And it don't matter if y'all really wanna hate me. My cousin, baby cousins on the instruments. I'm so essential to the game, I'm like an instrument. Utilize, look, you the guys, ayy, you had tries, but we will rise like yeast in the oven. God bless them, cause we love them. Yeah, Mitza, can't touch them. Hey, pump your brakes, baby, why you rushing? Just groove with me. Hey, I be me and you could be you. That's the truth right there. Young Cody, Coop doing his thing. Y'all know what it is. Hey.